In a startup, product management is not project management. They are different. Complementary, but different. If you're trying to build an app and you have like a timeline of deliverables, like a Gantt chart or a calendar with some sort of start and end dates for things, you're likely getting it wrong. Those are project management tools. Startups deal with a lot of uncertainty, which makes the project management approach unfit for us. A project manager works in a situation where everything is clear, like building a house. In that situation, the client has already described what they want: 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, all that kind of stuff. They have a building plan with a bill of quantities already laid out. They know how much cement they will need or how many blocks they will need. It's clear how many workers even and how long the entire building project is going to take. All they just have to do is slap all that stuff on a timeline with like start and stop dates and make sure that their budgets can cover it. Sorry to my project manager friends, I'm only oversimplifying to make my point. But with building products in a startup, all that stuff is unclear. So you have to take a different approach to product management. Firstly, set a vision for a product. You can even write like a cool list of features. Make sure everyone on your team understands that vision. The next step is to pick the most important and critical features to build first. These are the ones that basically make or break the app. Here you can set delivery dates and just agree to check progress on your people from time to time. This is what we call sprints. Once you release a feature, you need to monitor metrics so your users can guide you. Stuff like what features they use the most, what are the conversion rates after they sign up, how many daily active users do I have, what demographics are these users, stuff like that anyway. You just need to actively gather both quantitative and qualitative feedback from your users. Talk to them as much as you can so you understand their needs and you know what problems you should be trying to solve. Now, all this data after being gathered must be discussed with your team on a sprint by sprint basis so that everyone can agree on what to change, what to add, what to remove, or what to build next. Everyone needs to be carried along, so you must have all this laid out on some kind of product management tool. I recommend stuff like Trello or Asana so that you can put stuff on a chart or a board that everyone can easily understand. The exact time frames or resources needed may be uncertain, but they will become clearer and clearer as you progress through the project. You can see how this approach focuses a lot more on doing than planning. You release features and see how they perform rather than designing things endlessly. You use real user feedback rather than market research, for example. It needs to be this way in order to tackle all the uncertainty with startups. I hope this helps.